Are you looking for places in McCall, Idaho? McCall is known for Teia Lake and Brundage Ski Resort. That's right, we're a lake town and a ski town in one. And today we're out here at 11 Barber Court. This is actually a nice size lot. It's 2.76 acres. We're gonna take a tour of this home today, which is located in the Brookdale Meadows subdivision. This subdivision is gonna be on the south side of the city of McCall, and it's located right next to the rail trail. The rail trail, you can walk horses and get right down into the city of McCall. You can also ride bikes, you can ski on it in the winter, you can also hike it. So it's a super convenient location where you have all of this space, but then you also have easy access right into downtown. So if this is your first time tuning into the channel, I'm Teia Golden and I sell real estate here in McCall, Idaho. If you're looking for a large acreage property, 11 Barber Court might be the property for you. So if you want a private tour, reach out and give me a call anytime. So right when you come in the front door, you'll notice that the living room has really high ceilings, and it has great views, windows across, the whole entire wall. And it's really a great area where people can, gather around the fireplace. It's actually a propane fireplace, and I should mention that the propane tank is owned, so that does transfer with the sale of the house. In the kitchen, it has a rough edge granite countertop, which is really nice, and the kitchen also opens up to the living room, so you can still see out, and there's amazing views also from the kitchen. There are 3 levels to the home, but all of the stuff you need is really on the main level. The main bedroom is right when you walk in the door on the main level, the laundry room, kitchen, living room. So you don't really need to go up and down the stairs. The house is a total of 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and it does come fully furnished. So everything you see in the video comes with the house, and it's decorated really nice furniture, and then also completely, like with all the decorations and the linens. So there's everything that you need with this house. One of my favorite features about the home is how the master bedroom opens up to the porch with a hot tub, and you can look out over and see views of Brundage Ski Resort. And then another feature that I really like is the dual shower heads in the main bathroom. So those are 2 of my favorite features. Also the great room, like when you go downstairs, there's a huge great room with a pool table. That opens up to a hardscaped area where you could go out and roast s'mores. They have also a pond that's part of the property, and it would be a pretty easy process to go through and get water rights to the pond if that's something you're interested in, and you would share those with the neighbor next door. This could be a great full-time residence home or a vacation rental. The neighborhood does allow for vacation rentals, and because it comes fully furnished, it would be really quick to just, purchase it and then immediately put it on a rental program because you really don't have to do anything. So the home also comes with this storage shed that they have over here. It does have a fenced-in area for the backyard and a 2-car garage with complete concrete flooring and a huge asphalt area outside. And the basketball hoop, of course, comes with the place too. So if you're looking for a large acreage property in McCall, 11 Barber Court might be the house for you. If it's something you think you might be interested in and you want more information, reach out and give me a call, and I'm happy to give you a private tour of the home.